Hi, this is David Turner, and I am going to explain in this video how to do Lab 1 of my course, Computer Science, Introduction to Computer Science 201. I'm going to explain how to do Lab 1 on a Windows machine using Visual Studio. So if you are not doing the lab exercises in a Windows environment, then you may not find this video to be directly applicable to your situation. That is the case if you're doing the labs in the lab room, JB359. If you are in fact working in the lab room, there will be a different procedure and a different set of tools that we use to do the labs. But if you are working at home, or if you're working in the lab room with a laptop and you're running Windows in those environments, then you will find this video to be useful. So I want you to notice here on the course web page, I have a link to Windows Notes. There's two sections, one that discusses the compiler, the other one that discusses the Subversion client. You need to install a compiler and a Subversion client to do the activities in the course, if you're using Windows once again. And there are different compilers for Windows, but the one that I recommend, the one that I will be illustrating, is called Visual Studio. There are two different versions of Visual Studio. One is called the Professional version, the other is called the Express version. I will be illustrating how to do the problems using the Professional version. You have two ways of obtaining that for free. One is through this link here to the Microsoft Academic Alliance web page. This is a page that we maintain. You need to fill out this application form, sign, and so on, and submit that to the School of Computer Science and Engineering. You can give that to me as well. I can also submit that for you. That takes a few days to process, so you should do that right away. The other way is to go through the StreamSpark website and get an account here and download Visual Studio. They show it here, Visual Studio 2010. I think that will work, although I prefer that you use Visual C++ 2008 Express Edition. I think that will work fine. Here's 2005 Professional Edition. Do they have 2008 Professional Edition? That would be my first choice if it does show in there. I don't see it on this front page here, but anyway, there's a lot of different tools that you can download through this website. Once again, the Express Edition and the Professional Edition will both work with the course, so that doesn't matter that much, but I will be illustrating the use of the Professional Edition. You also need to get the Subversion client. I list here two of them, but the one I recommend that you use is this Ankh SVN. That's what I will be illustrating in these videos, and you need to download that, of course, through here. So that installs itself as a Visual Studio plugin. You must have Visual Studio installed first, and then you will access this program through Visual Studio as a plugin. So get those two pieces of software installed and set up. Once that's done, you can return and continue on from the second video.